Hello friends, very good evening. This is Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel and to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to share you what our expected thing, which we are given on a live market, how that expected thing is happening in today's scenario, and what happened using the Camarilla pivot points that always give you some better edge to trade on an intraday basis that we are going to discuss in this video. So here we studied about 2 days relationship between the Camarilla pivots that will give you some clear idea about the market on intraday basis. Based on that, we are going to plan a trade, and this is what a stock which we have selected for an intraday trade. And morning we discussed about the Tata Motor. So what we are doing, so this is what the important, what is the strategy we are using here? That is what inside bar, sorry, inside Camarilla pivot. And now today market is started here, and we planned to either break down or either break up. So we are expecting a breakout kind of trade, right? Because there is a narrow range in between this R3 and S3 today, totally inside between the previous day's range. So we are going to find a breakout kind of trade, and whenever market breaks below that S4, we are going to short that, and we are making a stop loss for a S3 for the selling trade. And today we seen 309.75 and 313.15. So almost we are taken the risk of 3 rupees. So we are taking around 3 rupees risk. That is what our risk. And if you are making a 1:2 risk reward ratio, we are waiting for a 6 rupees target. And that was happening today, this trade. So we are morning we posted that trade, how we are going to expect the trade. And now just simply I'm posting the price chart. Yes, today what happened? We got some sell entry around here, and we maintain the stop loss at this point, but our stop loss not triggered. It fall down around 302 from 309. It coming to near about 302, almost 8 rupees. It fall from this breakdown level. So how we can manage the target? So if you are taking a risk of 3 rupees, you can wait for a 6 rupees target. So 303.75 is your target. It got triggered at here, this particular candle your target. So even you can directly manage with the L5 levels as your target. That is exactly 303.7. So what beauty of using this strategy, or what benefit to using this strategy? Our risk reward was defaultly fixed by 1:2. The 1:2 risk reward ratio, if you are doing, so the strategy which is having a 50% accuracy, so you are going to make money. If you have more than 50% accuracy, sure you are going to ending with a profit only. And you should manage your risk reward as per your capital. This is a video which I'm making for education purpose. I'm not providing any tips at here. If you want to learn strategies in option trading, so you can contact me, the number scrolling on this video, right? And this is the one stock which we are given for a breakout today. And next one which we are given Bajaj Finance in the morning. Let's see that the same Bajaj Finance which is broken around 6,154 in a future. That is a breakout level. We know the level before market opens. That is the beauty of this level. So we place the stop loss sell order at this point. Our sell got executed, and directly it goes to our target around a 50-60 point from this trade. These two trades which we have selected on the basis of inside Camarilla. So the same inside Camarilla, we have created a code for that. So on charting you can use that code, and you can scan for that also. Very easiest way we can find out what are the stocks which is forming a inside Camarilla. So the narrow are inside Camarilla. So simply if you are clicking that, you will be getting right now you are getting a lot of stocks. Hope I will check that. Yes, yeah, that is the right one. Let's check. Okay, else. Even we will create a more code for that. Yes, avels also. Yeah, this kind of trade avels which gives you a stop loss, but how we manage the trade. So this is another scenario, but we are seeing the working scenario that is directly going to our target. But here you can study something about how we can easily manage the trades. Here this trade gives you buy opportunity initially, and it went up almost to 1:1 risk reward ratio, that is a 5 rupees stop loss, and it went up to 1:1 target, and again it's stop loss. This is also be happening, the stop loss also be happening. But what is the beauty of this strategy? While we are making a target that is 1:2, simply we are making the 1:2 target, even if you are finding an even more narrow range, because this is what a unchanged compared to previous day. So the values, this is what a 7th July and now 8th July, not inside value, but a slightly little bit, but it's compared to unchanged value, looks like a range bound trade. Okay, and I'll code for that. So and after coding all the things, I'll share with that. Okay, and some other trade which is I focused based on the same strategy, which is Bank Nifty, that is also giving a nice result, where it is broke down around 35,556. There it is fall from below its target. It's a huge down, and 2 days back it gives a huge breakout and went up huge, and today it given a breakdown and it is huge. And Nifty also giving you good opportunity, where it is broken here around the 800 level and market is settled around 700 level, so almost 100 points down, but we got the target, so we can book our profit while uh, when the position making our target, so we can book it out. So simple method which gives you the ultra edge for your intraday trade, that will give you perfect and best entry points with the support and resistance using the Camarilla pivot. So amazing, right? And some other stocks which is on my watch list, I seen Jindal Steel. Yeah, from the opening itself started falling, and even it broke down that breakout level, and again it is coming down. And Hindalco, so initially it is also be going down from this particular point. Again, this is also giving workout, and IRTC this morning giving me a buy signal, and it breaks up and it triggers with the target on upside. And this is what Manappuram. Initially it started here and it started falling, and it triggers your target too. So using Camarilla pivot, we can easily find out the right entry point as well as right exit point. If it goes right, so we are going to take a right exit. If it is goes wrong, and we already know where to exit our position which is making a loss. So that is the beauty of about this strategy. If you like this video, you can like as well as share to your friends. They may know something about this Camarilla pivot, and you can share. And if you have any other questions, you can comment. I will make a new video for your comments, which is if any questions like that. So using this simple indicator, I'm not adding any buy sell or buy indicator, sell indicator. I'm not doing anything here. I simply having only the support and resistance, how we effectively do with the support and resistance of Camarilla pivot points, that is giving you better trade opportunity. I hope this may be useful video to you all. Thank you for watching, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.